Hey guys, it's me. I am back. I've been off for about a couple of weeks. I think I've only posted one video in the last 2 weeks, maybe two. But it has been super busy last month. Crazy month. I wound up in the doctor's office having some tests run. Got all that situated. Then came the great winter storm. Our pipes froze and busted. So, yeah, that was a major ordeal. My washer messed up, so it had to be replaced. Let's see. My children, my older kids were living there at the house because their house was in the process of being remodeled. My diet went down the tubes. So, yeah, it was crazy. But anyway, I'm back on track. The diet started back today. Lots of neat videos coming up this month. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos using my small appliances this month. I'm going to be making stuff in my Ninja, my Instapot, my fry basket, my air fryer. I have a new product I'm unboxing this month. So we'll be using that. I'm super excited about that. I finally broke down and bought one. I've been wanting one for a while. So that's going to be later on in this video. You'll get to see what that is. And needless to say, I sat down yesterday and I kind of drew out, and I guess not drew out, but I typed up what my week's kind of going to look like this week. And just because I wanted it where I could see it and kind of keep myself on track and keep different cleaning projects that I've got going on in my house on track. I'm going through some stuff in my house. Yeah, just kind of keeping myself going, writing down what I'm going to be fixing for dinner this week. I think I've got like 3 or 4 videos that I'll be videoing this week on different new recipes. So I'm excited about that. But anyway, thanks for being patient. And thanks to all my faithful subscribers that keep up. And the ones, if you haven't subscribed and you're just watching, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. But anyway, let's get busy unboxing this product. Okay, y'all, super stoked for this. I'm going to be unboxing something I've been wanting for a while, and I finally broke down and bought. So, let's get it on. That's what I get for thinking, huh? Anybody want to make a guess? Okay. It's a new wave, but a new wave what? Let's pull it out and see. Okay, so it is a new wave induction burner. I am so excited. Finally. So, okay. as well. I'm so excited to try this out. I've been wanting one for a while. So, like I said, I finally broke down and bought one. So, I plan on having a lot of fun with this. So, we will be cooking something up on this thing. Okay guys, we are going to be frying some chicken tonight in my fry basket. So got a couple, probably 2.5 cups of bread flour. I've got some garlic salt, some oregano, some celery seed, some onion powder, black pepper, salt, smoked paprika, just a touch of cayenne. Pour that in there. Make sure to stir it around really, really good. And I'll start battering up my chicken. On my fry basket, I want the temperature of my grease to be at about 365. I've got the Farberware fry basket. Yours may be different. Anyway, I'm waiting for my grease to come up to temp. And I had some chicken tenderloins left, and then I had some chicken breasts that I cut into strips. So that's what I'm using tonight for this video. I'll go ahead and start laying these in my basket. Still keeping an eye on that grease. It's not where I want it yet, but it's getting there. With this, we're going to have some good old mashed potatoes, some homemade buttermilk biscuits, some homemade gravy, probably a little mac and cheese. Yeah, just a nice southern meal. Okay, so the grease is hot enough. I'm fixing to drop my basket down in and let the frying begin. And we'll be back. We're going to pull them up and give them a check. They look like they're frying up nice and golden. Shake them around a bit. Drop them all the way back down in there. And we'll be back when we pull them out. Okay, so these are done. I'm going to set the basket up here, let them drain off a bit. Then I'm going to dump them in the pan over here. And I'm just going to load the basket back again and drop it back down.